Hello, guys. You know, I have made so many good friends on Instagram, and a recent and new one is Brecht. He has a fabulous garden in Belgium. He has reached out to me, and I asked him if he would share his just really magical bonsai and garden styling with us. So he's put together a video, which I'm going to share with you today. He also so kindly sent us a line illustration of the cottage on the hill, and I've been using it for my business cards, for animations and things, and I cannot thank him enough. So Brecht, thank you, and Stuart, let's show them.
Hello everyone, welcome to my garden. My name is Brecht, I live in Belgium. I have a small city garden, it's about 150 square meters. The kind of style I like is a Scandinavian style mixed with Japanese style. I also have a bonsai hobby, I will show you my trees later. And now let's have a look at the garden. Here we have our dining table. With a little bird. The outdoor kitchen that I made myself a few years ago. The barbecue with another bonsai. And this is the herb garden in the outdoor kitchen. Little play area, the playhouse. And this is my topiary collection. I would also like to show this side. The alliums at the columbine, looking really good. The tulips are just a week done blooming, I think. We only had a few days of good weather. And this is the result. Give you an overview. Sitting area again. Zen area. And here we have our forest. So this is the forest. Here I have the smaller trees. And there are the bigger trees on the tables. This is my birch forest. This is my apple tree. It's just on flowering. My magnolia. Christmas tree. My favorite, Piracantha. This is my dwarf rhododendron. a beech tree, sort of juniper, cotoneaster, and here's my golden pine. You can see the golden tips at the end. Here's my white pine. My lilac tree. Another cotoneaster. A beech tree. Perfect. My azalea, that's not looking very good. And my large tree with the little pine cones and the little I'll give an overview from this side. We also have a front garden. It is not looking that good right now because the tulips are just on blooming. I will show you anyway. Yes, I will put a picture up from earlier in the year, later in the year. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the garden tour. Have a good day.